Welcome to our newest listing.
A premier luxury condo here at Optima Camelview.
Let's go check it out. Out of almost 700 condos here at Optima Camelview, this is the only condo we've personally been in that offers 3 bedrooms, all with en-suites, plus a guest bathroom and a dedicated office space.
This condo offers 2 patios, one large private patio off the living space and another patio off both guest suites.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like more information about this condo or any other here at Optima Camelview, give us a call.